Imagine this scenario. You see your crush across the room, your heart races, your palms sweat, and you freeze like a deer in headlights. You want to stride over, cool as a cucumber, and strike up a conversation. But instead, you trip over your own feet, knock a vase off a table, and spill your drink, all while your crush watches. It's like a scene from a sitcom, isn't it? Sounds familiar? Don't worry, you're not alone. But today, we'll turn that around. The road to love isn't always smooth, but hey, that's what makes it exciting, right? And to prove that, we've got some amazing stories to share with you. Let's dive into the tale of Sam, the shy poet who penned verses for his crush but lacked the courage to hand them over. Instead, he'd leave them in her favorite books at the library. It was a peculiar dance of words until one day she wrote back, and their love story took flight on the wings of poetry. Then there's Lisa, the fitness enthusiast who fell head over heels for a guy at her gym. She decided to woo him by lifting heavier weights. One day she pushed herself a little too hard and dropped a dumbbell on her foot. It was painful, yes, but that incident broke the ice, and they've been inseparable since, sharing both their love for fitness and a good laugh about the day they met. And who could forget Tom, the clumsy barista who spilled a coffee on his crush on their first encounter. It was a disaster, but he turned it around with humor and a free cup of coffee. Now they share more than just a love for caffeine. So as you can see, everyone has their fair share of love blunders. But what separates the winners from the rest is the courage to keep trying. Now that we've had a good laugh and maybe shed some sympathetic tears, it's time to turn you into a love guru. First off, it's vital to realize that confidence is key. It's like a secret sauce that makes everything taste better. But how do you build it, you might ask? Start with small steps. Say hello to a stranger, compliment someone's style, or even ask for directions, even if you don't really need them. Each small interaction is a step towards becoming more comfortable in your own skin. Now let's talk about the art of conversation. Remember, it's not about impressing with grand gestures or profound statements, it's about showing genuine interest in the other person. Ask open-ended questions, listen actively, and respond thoughtfully. This shows that you value what they have to say and are interested in getting to know them better. And here's a little secret. People love talking about themselves, so give your crush the stage. Let them share their thoughts, their dreams, their passions. This not only helps you learn more about them, but also makes them feel special and appreciated. Finally, remember that rejection is not the end of the world, it's just a part of the process. A no today could be a yes tomorrow, or a yes to someone even better suited for you. Remember, everyone's been in your shoes, even those who seem like naturals had to start somewhere. So there you have it, folks. Love Connections 101. We've journeyed through awkward moments, real-life love stories, and discovered the art of mastering the approach. Remember, be confident, step out of your comfort zone, and let your genuine self shine. The world of love waits for no one, so it's time to seize the moment. Now go out there and make your move. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the reminder bell. Until next time, keep the love flowing.